Alright guys, so today we're gonna go downstairs and replace the engine and transmission oil on my 2007 Honda Civic Si. Although the previous owner said that they have maintained the car, I want to be able to sleep at night knowing that I did it myself. So I'm slowly replacing everything on the car, maintenance or whatever parts it needs. Eventually, once I started building the car, I do want to replace like the trimmings because those are kind of effed up. So we're gonna try to do all of that. Today, after the maintenance, we're gonna be doing replacement on the EBrake handle, and I'll show you guys when we get downstairs. The clips on the original one, they're broken, so they had held it up with tape. It works, but I don't like it. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the EBrake handle as well after the maintenance. Other than that, I've already replaced the spark plugs. So usually at around 130,000 miles, you're supposed to replace the spark plugs. That didn't look like it was done, so we went ahead and I bought the NGK spark plugs, replaced them with that. And I mean, the car seems to be running fine even when we got it, but it's just for that peace of mind so I could sleep at night. That's why I'm just taking care of other things. So just by replacing everything. But let's go ahead and downstairs and let's look at the car. Alright guys, so this is my 2007 Honda Civic Si coupe. Paint's kind of faded. Obviously for the HNs, that was a bad thing. I sanded down the top. I'm gonna wrap this hopefully soon. On this side, it's mostly on the driver's side, the paint's been chipping a lot, but everything else, like the side body panel, is pretty good, and then on the other side is really good too. So but that's eventually, not now. Right now, this is for the engine. We're going to be using a pure oil. We're going to be using this right here. There you go. Focus a little bit. I also have in the trunk, I noticed that I bought windshield wipers, so I'm going to replace those as well. This is for the plastic trimming that we're probably going to use for the EBrake. I bought this at Harbor Freight. I don't need an expensive kit, so I just bought something cheap. This is for the sanding down. This is for the transmission. I also got the washer somewhere in there in the bag. I got it from Honda. Didn't want to use anything else for the transmission, so I wanted to go OEM with that. So we're gonna go ahead and use this for the transmission. Put this in here, right? And I think that's it. Everything else just like little tools, or little magnets or something, in case I drop something down the well. Some WD-40. We're gonna use this just in case the bolts don't want to come off. Use that. And windshield wipers, we're just gonna leave them in the trunk. We'll use that in a little bit. All right. Alright guys, I look beat up right now, but so there is one difference. I do need like a small pump or hose that's gonna go down for the transmission fluid. So we're here at Autozone and we're gonna, hopefully they have it, hopefully. I already did the engine oil change, so that went perfectly fine. It's just that now that we need like a little fuel pump, and I think I'm gonna go to Home Depot as well and probably just knock it out of the way and just buy a torque wrench while we're at it. So yeah, so here we are, Autozone. We're gonna buy this real quick, go to Home Depot, and then go back to resume to what we're doing. I think right now it's about to be 4 p.m. so not that bad. All right, so we came back, bought a torque wrench, this one right here, it's a whatever. Oh, it's not focusing. And then we also bought the pump, so to get the oil, the fluid from the container to the transmission. So let's hope that this is it. No more shopping. So we went ahead and removed the old fluid, drained it out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the new fluid. So it's a two-way pump. One end's gonna go into where we took out one of the drain plugs. We'll fill it from there. Put this in there and there. So let's try this shit out. Alright guys, so we finished doing the transmission fluid. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. So far it seems good. Everything started out perfectly fine. Now I just need to reset the percentage back to 100 since we did the engine and transmission. So it's kind of dark in here. This is why we brought the LEDs, but as you can see, this is the EBrake handle right here, and look at this. It's broken. I mean, I could still use it, but it's just it just bothers me, you guys. So I have to replace this. I'm gonna replace this with the new one. All right, you guys. So I already took apart the EBrake, lifted this up, took it apart. This is the metal frame of the EBrake. I already replaced this part right here, and it's already sturdy. So this is the old piece right here. These are the old pieces. They're beat up, and that's why it was all wobbly. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Got the pieces here. Let me go ahead and finish that up real quick. And there you go, you guys. Brand new. Look at these. No more flimsiness. Look at this. Oh, no more flimsiness. I love it. Yeah, buddy. Alright, you guys. So today I received my Skunk 2 shift knob, weighted shift knob. And this is going to go obviously on my 2007 on the Civic Si coupe. Owner's manual. And there you go, you guys. Oh, it's heavy, bro. Damn, big difference already, you guys. Just the weight of it. Oh my god. It's going to make that shift knob, the stock shift knob that I have on the SI, feel like plastic. This is a big difference. Alright, so what I really care about, it's not the shift knob itself, but what is this? Genuine parts? No, I don't care about that. So booklet or what? No, don't care about that. Bro, where's the real horsepower? Ah, there you go, the real horsepower, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, you guys. Yeah, okay, it's a benefit to have a weighted shift knob, but damn, do I love horsepower, you guys. Hell yeah, I'm gonna slap this on for sure. You guys, so finally on. This thing feels so good, you guys. Actually feels way better than the stock. Alright guys, so as I stated before, we're sanding this down, prepping it for wrap. We sanded down the whole side. We still need some on the fender. Look at that. It's smooth now. Super smooth. So we're still gonna sand a little bit more. We're gonna add primer to where the metal is showing on some of the parts right there. The whole ceiling's gonna get wrapped. That's the only thing that we sanded down, so we're good to go. Here's my baby right here. Haven't driven her in a while right now because of this car. So yeah, you guys, that's it for right now. Little update. We're gonna have I'm waiting for the wrap. I already got the bumper and the front lip. Got the side skirts, waiting on those so we could primer them as well. And she will be okay now on the street. She won't look as basic or that bad, but can't wait. So definitely I'm gonna take it for a drive right now just to see what the shift knob feels like. But yeah, stay tuned, you guys.